This is what we're gonna make.
So the first thing we need
Is this the chocolate?
Except I gotta open it up. I'm gonna open it up. And then you're gonna pour half and Kinsey's gonna pour half. So don't pour it all in, okay?
Okay.
Just pour a little bit in and then Kinsey's gonna pour a little bit in. Okay?
Chocolate.
Just pour a little bit. You can do more than that.
I feel like powder.
Okay, Kinsey, your turn.
Okay. Okay, Mommy.
Wait, don't do it yet. Okay, then we're gonna mix the chocolate and all that stuff together.
You let Kinsey pour it in.
Pour it all in. Then we're gonna pour the milk in.
Yep, I'll let you
a
pour
really
it.
good step.
So Connor's gonna pour 1 cup of the milk in and Kinsey's gonna pour a cup of the milk in.
We each do 1 cup of milk.
Yep.
And then we're gonna dip the worms inside the chocolate. What's inside the other one?
That's going to be part of the process. But first part of the process is Connor is going to pour this in, and then Kinsey's going to pour the same thing in.
Yeah, me too.
Yep.
Me too. Okay, it has 3
Do I do
milk
this
cups.
1 cup?
Do all of it.
Need milk at 2-3 cups.
And then Kinsey's going to pour some milk
Do I
in.
mix it? Do I mix it?
Not yet. We got to get all the milk in.
Oh, there's some big bubbles of it.
Make
All right, now Kinsey puts some milk in.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, it actually smells like chocolate milk.
You pour the milk in.
Okay,
No, in here.
okay. This?
No!
This?
Yes. Whoa! Good job.
Good job.
All right, now we need to...
Mix it all together.
Yep.
So I want to do the spoon.
Nope, we got to do this magic tool.
Oh.
It says we need to beat in a medium bowl.
Yeah, me too.
Right there. Plug yours. Oh, it's not actually that low.
No. Want to try it?
Hey, I
You
tried
can
it.
try it after Connor. I think I'm going to get you a chair like Connor.
Yeah.
You'll be able to beat it a lot better. Why don't you step down? No, step
Kinsey,
down over
your
here.
turn.
Step over here. Just you keep doing it until I get her set, okay? Okay, step up, girl.
I knocked it.
Okay, now you hold the meat. You mix it. Hold it. Yep. Oops, right to it.
Okay.
Oh, no, sorry.
I just my cup.
I did my cup.
Kind of low.
Hello.
Then,
Oh. All right, Connor, you can do it for a little bit longer.
Yeah, so it's not really.
Just a little bit longer. Do another 30 seconds.
Don't get that zero. Don't touch this.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. We can stop beating, and we have to let this sit for 5 minutes.
Okay.
okay.
So guys, we're gonna play around. So we're gonna.
Do you guys want to lick the beaters?
Yeah, I wanna lick it.
No, I don't like it.
Okay.
Mommy, come here. I wanna lick it.
I gotta get mine.
I don't like it.
You can grab it. You can grab them both. Kinsey said no. Tell us what you think. So I set my timer for 5 minutes.
Good.
Good?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so once our 5 minutes are up, we're gonna spoon the pudding into each cup.
Oh, that sounds
And then we're gonna
easy.
top with the chocolate cookie crumbs. It'll look like dirt. And then after that, we'll top it with the gummy worms.
Yay! Gummy bear!
Want to try it?
No, I don't like it.
Nice.
I think she's missing out, don't you, Connor?
Yeah.
So we gotta wait. Just gotta play the waiting game.
Wait till it is.
Banana.
Wait till
No,
it's 6:10.
And
Wait till it's 6:10.
wait, that Emmy's. That Emmy. Thank you. It is it. Carne is it. The gummy bear.
Ah.
That good?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Do you like it?
That's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna force you.
Woo, woo, woo. Gotta look. Pop, 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 pop.
Alright,
Yeah.
you guys be good. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay. Pop, 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 pop.
Kenzie, go the other way.
This?
Huh?
This? Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop.
Kenzie, those are tiny worms.
Yeah, tiny worm.
This is good.
Yeah. Pop, 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 pop.
Where do we put those? Yeah. Where is that?
Pop, pop, pop,
Mommy,
pop,
Mommy.
pop,
Yes.
pop, pop,
Where do I
pop,
put
pop,
these
pop,
mixers?
In the sink.
You see?
pop, 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 pop. Ew, do worm now.
Not,
We gotta wait for Mommy's timer to go off, and then we can do it.
So I'm making gummy worms in the dirt.
Yeah.
Everything is chocolate, but it looks like dirt.
Yeah. Blah, blah, blah.
Here, I'm gonna wipe off the corners. While we wait.
Mm-hmm. 5 minutes is pretty long.
What's this? Pink one.
Let's see how much time
Mommy.
we have left.
Ugh. I would tell you, I have to tell you, these are really small. They're really small, these
Okay, we got
bears.
2 minutes.
2
Yeah.
minutes
Do
old.
some more singing and dancing for the fans. Kids, let's hear you. Let's hear you sing.
Kids, like, sing.
Sing Frozen, Kids.
And just say, let it go.
Let it go. Hey, you're back in
Can you guys sing the ABCs?
A, B, C,
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC, and sing with me.
What else do you guys know? Do you guys know Twinkle Twinkle?
Yeah.
Twinkle,
Twinkle, little star, I wonder what you are. And
Up
above the so high, when you're running in the sky.
Now,
You were gonna finish with the ABC. All right, 30 seconds.
yes, that is really quick. 30 seconds. Ah!
One more ABCs, and you guys got it in the hands and out in the face. Oh
Okay.
yeah. Oh yeah.
That's really nummy.
I think we could do it now.
I can yeah.
I'm gonna stop.
I
this.
want like spoon it, like teaspoon it in the cups.
Yeah.
You want a smaller spoon? Is this too big?
No, it's fine.
I do.
I think I need one smaller one for you, Kinsley.
3.
Just gonna use this cup.
Bum, 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 bum.
All right, so it's a joint effort here. Kinsley, you get to scoop while Connor scoops. Here's your spoon, and just do just like what he's doing. Scoop it into the cup. Yep. You need a hair tie. Let me get a hair tie for you.
Big chunk.
Yeah.
Big chunkies.
Okay, let's do another cup. This is looking good. Oh, it's pretty full. We gotta have room for the dirt
Yeah.
and the worms. Here's another one for you. If we have enough for more cups, we'll do more cups.
So it's all supposed to be full.
I would fill it probably to like
I know, that's what I'm feeling.
2 lines. I think 1 to the 3rd line from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. I'd say right
I
there.
know, I'm filling it up really small.
We can do more cups if we have enough pudding.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a big one.
Our scoop and I mix it all together.
Here, and I'll get rid of the excess here.
Mix it all together so it's nice and soft.
Ew.
I know, it does look icky. That's what I would say.
That icky.
This is our
Icky
happy
poo-poo.
Halloween. That's good. Yeah, you just grab your spoon.
Okay.
Start another cup. This one's good.
Oh, I think we might have enough for more cups.
I think we might need more cups myself. I think you're right. Do you want more cup?
Yeah. So guys, this is actually really fun. And here we go. Here's a number 5 for you guys. Okay.
Let me start grabbing.
Okay, now a teaspoon, a couple of teaspoon. Okay, another
Guys,
teaspoon.
that big one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah. Guys, that big one.
Yeah.
You're putting
Good.
in. No, you like it.
Kenzie, you're crazy if you don't like it.
You are, I agree.
Because Kenzie, I think.
I have more.
You need another cup.
Yeah, I need a cup.
Wait.
Oh, you're going to be filling that one. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, Oh no!
What?
And on my shirt.
Where?
Right here.
Let me get something for that.
What?
Let me help you with that.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we have enough.
Let's see here. Better?
Yeah. Better.
Kenzie, don't scoop all of it. Another couple.
Really good.
Really?
I don't really got a ball duck in here.
Yeah, we're from chocolate.
Yeah. Me too. Okay, me too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I think we're almost out. That was
Then we move on to the next phase, which is the dirt.
we're gonna actually put. Oh yeah, that's inside the blue bag.
Yep.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Here.
I'm making it actually good.
Yeah, try to scoop his. Here, let me get a good scoop.
Oh, that's a big one. That's what I was doing. I was trying to get big ones. It didn't actually work, which is a big problem. Oh my gosh, this is the top. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, I'm getting these.
I'm done.
up.
My done.
Okay, then we'll move to the next one.
Here, mommy.
This
I'm
one's
done.
yours. Okay.
Me done.
Okay.
Right here.
Put the spoon in here.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put my spoon in there. Okay, now we're gonna start adding this.
Yeah.
The chocolate crumbs.
Yeah. Me too.
Those worms, I can't believe they're really small. And
Yeah, I don't want so fun.
Okay, Kinsley, these are your cups.
Yep, that was
then I'm
mine.
gonna sprinkle my cup in there.
And
Here
then
they go,
these
my
are
cup.
Connor's.
Crumbs! It says crumbs!
Crumbs. Cookie
Yeah,
crumbs.
me too. Mine, me too.
Okay, all of
Super
them.
bye. Into the room.
Worm party, worm party, worm party, worm
Just make sure there's enough for Kinsley's cup so I won't use it all in yours, okay?
Oh, yeah,
Wow,
Here,
wow,
pour some
wow.
in this cup for Kinsley.
Oh, yeah.
And then you guys can do it at the same time. Should I do 2 cups and we'll know that everybody wants
That's
the
chocolate.
same amount? Hang on. Set them side by side. That's pretty good.
No, that's mine.
Okay, pour it on top of your chocolate, okay?
Yes.
So you have enough, make sure you have enough for each cup, Kinsley.
Well, that's a lot. Everywhere.
Oh, let's pour some of this one in this one.
There. Mine done.
Now we get to put the worms on.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have enough for all the other ones.
You
My
don't?
ear
Yeah.
on it. My ear on it. My
I
ear
got a lot
on
in
it.
this one. This one's probably going to be my favorite. Yeah, it is.
Alright, that's the best I can do for dirt.
Yeah.
Alright, worms.
Worms, yeah! My favorite part!
In my room,
Big pop. Oh.
Hang on. You gotta go 1,
Oops.
2.
How come I have a... Oh. Can I put this in there? Can I put that in?
Yep, you pick. I'm just gonna go every other. Kinsley, here.
Are we going to eat it? I want to try.
Cups you
I
have
want to
6.
try one. I want to try one.
There. Have mine.
So you can get another one for each cup.
Thank you. Mine, have mine. We have green. We have blue. Thank you.
Yep. There we go. And that's how you make worms in the dirt.
Yeah, I have my worms.
Since these are for you,
Oh.
you get one, I get 2.
Okay.
Here we go.
There you go.
Perfect one thing.
Yeah.
Do it like... Okay, look at this. Look at this.
Now you're gonna try one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to mix it all
Thank
together.
you.
Mix it all together. Mix it all together.
Alright, Kinsley, that's one you pick.
Yeah.
We'll put the rest in the fridge.
Because we're going to let it dry.
Well, we can't eat all this right now. It's a lot of chocolate.
Mine done.
Take away.
No.
Let it dry.
Mine is done.
Are you gonna eat it? Give it to G-Mommy if you don't want it. Go bring it to G-Mommy.
No. I did.
Was that yummy?
Yeah.
I can't believe you like it, Kinsley. You said you
Mine,
liked it.
I do like it.
Oh.
It'll put a fish.
Well, you got lucky. You got very, very lucky.
Yeah, I will put it.
Because you didn't finish your dinner and I said you couldn't even eat it.
Mine, me. Do me. Mine, do me.
Which one did you eat, Connor?
Mhm.
Right here. Take mine.
Oh, give it to G-Mommy. I'm putting these ones in the fridge.
Okay. Here's put my fish.
You don't want to
Why
eat
you
yours?
take that one? Take that one.
I don't have room in this.
No. I'm gonna worm it in 5 minutes.
So now tomorrow in your class, you'll have